peaceful new year. Just like enjoy the Christmas and enjoy the cheer and be happy, guys, because being happy is really, really important as well. Exams are important, studies are important, everything else is important, but being happy also really, really matters.
Alright, that is Kajol for us for this evening. Thank you so much for being with us.
And ladies and gentlemen, before Kajol leaves, the Supergirl Award of the BMC School for this year, we would like Kajol ji to crown because she's the face of this campaign. So I'll
और ज़रूरत है. मुझे लगता है कि जो आप स्कूल में सीखते हो वो पढ़ाई से बहुत बढ़ के बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें होती है. आप दोस्त बनाते हो, आप रिश्ते बनाते हो, आप सीखते हो कि सोसाइटी में कैसे मिक्स होना है. एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑफ ऑल, you learn how to gain confidence with other people around you. You are not only one person in one family. You learn that everybody around you has different problems, different issues, and you're one of the many. So I think school really does that. And my school was boring, I have to say, but I loved every bit of it. And like I say, I love to read. And the one thing that school did not do was kill my curiosity. So I think I would tell all of you girls today that please read. प्लीज़ रीड. किताबें उठाओ, कोई भी भाषा में उठाओ, लेकिन कोई भी, ये एक चीज़ जो है, ये एक स्किल है जो आपको हमेशा हमेशा के लिए हर किसी जो whichever field you pick to work in, to be in, whether you're a wife, whether you're a working woman, whether you are the president of, whether you are the next president of the country.
Yes.
So I think that reading.
So I know कि किताबों के साथ आपका बहुत गहरा रिश्ता है. And the same with education. Can you tell me a little bit about what was your childhood like? What was school like? Did you enjoy it?
उड़ान भरनी है और वो उड़ान भरना आपके लिए जरूरी है, खुद के लिए, खुद की सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए, for your own happiness, for our overall development. So best of you girls and see you soon. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's a request.
I'm sure everybody is aware that today is the day for the Supergirls. On the end of this year and the beginning of the forthcoming New Year's, we begin with supporting this Supergirls children का जो theme हमारा बरसों से चला रहा है, और उसके पहले कई सारे actors have been the face of it. We have Amruta ji here. A very, very big round of applause to you. We have Kajol ji, of course, the face of this beautiful campaign. We are very thankful, Kajol ji. I know that you had so many commitments.
आगे निकलो. Don't be scared of anything in life. You all are talented and you will have opportunities in coming days in life. Congratulations. Best of luck to all of you. Thank you.
Before you leave, Amruta ji, a small token of appreciation to Mr. Percy. If you can come up, you've supported this campaign. Mr. Percy, can we have you on stage? Mr. Percy and Sachin Joshi, can you please come on stage? And of course, the face of this beautiful campaign, which the UNICEF and the other global organizations have also loved, is none other than Kajol. So very, very big hand to Kajol. That's for you. Thank you so much. We have Sujay Jairaj, we have Anand Pandit ji. Thank you so much. We have Vidhi Anand ji. We have Ma'am, Mrs. Bhutani here. So all of them are here to support this beautiful, noble endeavor. And before taking a lot of time, I give this to Merajan.
Thank you, Mr. Bamla. I request Mrs. Nayan Bhutani to please come on stage. Charu Anand ji and Mr. Sujay Jairaj Thakur also. Now, this title of giving Supergirl is just to educate and empower every underprivileged girl of the BMC school, the girls who have been really struggling and finding the way, but the inner soul, and they have a lot of power where Bhamla Foundation or the BMC comes and gives a little petal, a little